Collagraph is a collage that you print. They can be made with all sorts of materials. These are the materials that you will be using today. First, you need a cardboard square about 4.5 inches, some glue and some scissors, and then materials to glue on them. Things like corrugated cardboard, yarn, foam shapes, foams that you can cut independently, as well as textured foam. Now you're going to make your collage on your square. Turn it sideways so that it makes it into a diamond, and then you can use all the materials to make your design. Now it's time to start inking. Here are the things that we need. First, you need your Collagraph that you made, a 9 by 9 inch paper, an inking tray, a brayer, and some colored printing ink. Before we begin, make sure your name is on your paper. Next, you're going to fold it twice. You're going to fold it in half and then half again to make 4 mini squares. Now it's time to ink. Pour 1 or 2 little squirts of ink onto the inking tray. Next, you're going to roll the brayer into the ink. Keep rolling until you can hear that sticky sound. Next, use the brayer to roll the ink onto your Collagraph. To get the colors together, turn your Collagraph halfway and keep rolling. Next, flip over your Collagraph to make a print. Push down to get the ink all on the paper. Now that you know the process, you're going to keep repeating until you fill all the squares with a print of your Collagraph.